Hey, Uppy.
Oh, hey sis.
I want to do a quantitative study, but I don't know which one. Help me out here.
No problem. Let's break it down with a simple example. Imagine that you're studying diabetes. I promise, it's simpler than it sounds. Descriptive studies are like taking a photo of what's already happening right now. You're just observing. You're not changing anything. For example, if I survey how many patients are coming to my clinic and I measure their blood sugar levels daily, the descriptive studies will tell me what is happening, but not why it's happening. If two variables work together, but we're still not checking the cause, then it's called correlational research. For example, if I measure insulin dose and HbA1c levels of a diabetic patient, just to see whether higher dose relates to a better control, this will give me a correlation between the two variables. Now, if you want to compare two groups, you can do a causal-comparative study. For example, I can compare diabetic patients who go to nutrition classes versus those who don't and see whose HbA1c levels improved. Now, this will give me differences, but it will still not give me cause and effect relationship. Experimental research is the gold standard. You randomly assign people, change something, and then see what happens. For example, I randomly assign diabetic patients to a newly glucose-lowering drug or a placebo, and then measure their blood sugar outcomes. This will test the real cause and effect relationship. Don't forget to consider time in your studies. If you're measuring everything at a single point of time to get a snapshot of the current situation, then you're doing a cross-sectional study. But if you're measuring one group over a long period of time to see how things change, then you're doing a longitudinal study.
Oh, so basically, different styles and tools for different questions.
Exactly. Once you know your research question, you can pick the method and design to match. Subscribe for more research tips.